everybody, welcome to Mishti's Canvas. So today I am going to show you something. So before that I'm going to tell you that some of my subscribers or friends, they were asking me that why you are giving less videos in your Facebook page. So I'm going to show you the reason why I was unable to give more videos, because the reason is just in front of you. So just see, I'm going to turn my this is back. The reason you can see my house and the condition of my present house currently where I am situated. So we are actually moving and everything is in a haphazard way. So the entire month, you can say more than a month, it has been chaotic. And like both me and my husband Babu, we are actually packing all of these things. So why I wanted to show you all, the reason is that generally what happens in India also, you have seen, because most of my subscribers are from India. So movers and packers, they come and then they do the packing and everything. But here, just to cut down the costing, everything we are doing by our own. So the entire packaging, what you can see, so we started doing it more than a month ago maybe. Yeah, so that is the thing. So everything we had to dismantle. Here also I will show you. So in this room also, the beddings and everything we had to dismantle, then clean it. So I don't know if it is possible for me to show you the main moving day, because that day the movers and packers will be also. Somrik is also my little helper. He is helping me out in many things, like little bit of cleaning or packing small things. So he's really helping me out. And this is the basic reason why I can't give more videos now, because shifting and then settling down is a hectic job. So we are doing it for more than a month, like we have started, but still there are so many things, because before moving from this apartment we need to clean also. So however, whatever is possible for us we will do, and then rest, the apartment the apartment manager will take care of it. So mm, that's all for now. So if I can do the moving video that day, or if I'm not coming, I will ask Babu to do a little bit so that we can show you. So okay.
Finally, the moving day has arrived. Babu managed to take a short video. Video quality may differ as taken from a different phone. So they have started loading all the stuffs in the truck. It was a long time we stayed here, and now it's time to move out. We have thrown many old furnitures. So here we call the LA sanitization and kept the furnitures at the roadside. Afterwards, they will come and pick them up. So generally people do like this here, and movers has also come and they have started setting everything. So let's wait. Movers reached our new place. Me and Somrik, we were staying here from yesterday. You can see the boxes. These boxes were all packed by us because we thought first definitely it will cut down the cost and time, and secondly we can also have an idea where we are keeping our stuffs and which boxes. So with a marker pen we wrote on the boxes separately, if it is all food items like or books or kitchen stuffs. This helped us to unbox and set up here very quickly. So you can also see I have given here how we wrote. So I thought to share a few moving tips if anybody is planning to shift, it can be also helpful for them. And I have also given a small video overlay, like how I have written the food items and all, so that you can have an idea. This was a small experience that I thought to share with you.
And finally, I got time to show you that we are in our new residence, new apartment, and you can see the condition at the back. So everything is scattered. We need to rearrange everything. And I can also show you, this is the kitchen area, this is the living and dining area. So I will rearrange everything and then I can show you all. So this entire moving was very hectic, as you know. And I wanted to also share you something. So the two people they came, the movers, those who have done the entire moving. And so about the costing, I just wanted to give you an idea that how it costs here. So they took a $130 per hour, so something all total it took. So like, if I do the calculation in INR, that is Indian rupees, it is coming 77,380 approximately. It can be here and there also. Anyways, so it was just a video to give an idea and also to share our experience, moving experience. So this was our first moving experience here. I just wanted to share with you, and that's all about this video. So please like and share and subscribe Mishti's Canvas. Also, I'm on YouTube, so subscribe my channel Mishti's Canvas. There in Instagram, Mishti's Canvas Official, so you can also follow me there. So I need to do a lot of work, you can see. So ending this video on a positive note. Spread happiness, spread kindness, spread positivity, spread love. That's all. Thank you. Thanks for watching.